Gina, and today I'm going to pierce my daughter Jocelyn's nose. If you want to see that, then keep watching. So we got gloves, a marker, alcohol pad, our needles. We got our clamp soaking in alcohol, which I keep rotating. We have also the jewelry in there. It's hard to see, it's tiny. We got this little tiny jewel right here that was from a headband or something. We're just gonna pop that on her nose, and so she can really get the placing down. I also have H2 Ocean that we're gonna spray after we pierce. So we are going to put it on the right side of her nose. We're gonna put that little tiny jewel on. So we decided we're gonna put it on the left side.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're gonna take that little tiny jewel and we're gonna stick it on there so she can really see where she wants it, and then we'll mark it after that, and then we'll get piercing.
Yeah. I put some eyelash glue on it.
Okay, so we want it right there.
Yeah.
Put a dot there, and then go from there. Oh, so I washed my hands. I'm gonna put my gloves on, and then I'm gonna clean her nose, put the mark on her nose, and then we'll get started. My gloves made a fart noise. Yeah, I'll mark it, and then you look again. Alright, stop. Alright, let's mark. There, I think. I'm using an 18 gauge needle from Body For You that I got off of Amazon, and I'm using 20 gauge jewelry.
In my cookie shoes.
Up. Alcohol. Yep.
Never been stabbed in the face before. No. Ah.
Oh, don't move, it's by your mouth. Yeah. Oh, hold on, don't move. Oh yeah, your hair's watering now. There.
So Fredo's gone.
Now we need to move that so it stays up.
My eyeballs are
Mommy. What are you doing?
Now I'm going to spray it so.
Look at this. Mommy. Mommy.
Okay.
I'm tired.
We gotta go look at it now. We have a little makeup run. Wear waterproof makeup, because non-waterproof runs and gets in your
all over
eyes
my
and then just keeps burning. It's not too bad.
Oh, I should turn on.
It's mine.
I like it.
Mommy, this is mine. Mommy. Mommy. Can I say?
Don't play the notes.
Yeah, don't. Don't recommend using this kind because it was really hard to get through, so I wound up having to get one of her piercings and use that one on Jocelyn instead. It's just the L shape instead of the screw. So, anyways, I wanted to do an update on Lydia real quick. We did hers about 13 days ago, and it's beautiful. She didn't ever even get any swelling. It didn't really turn red, didn't bleed. A couple times she got it caught on like a blanket and pulled it out and had to shove it back in real quick, but overall it's been doing really good, right?
Yeah.
Are you still happy you did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm happy you did it.
Oh,
Does
you
it
happy I
still
did it.
hurt?
So I used Lydia's instead of mine, which is hers is a little bit bigger, so I don't like it as much as I would have because mine was twisty and she couldn't get it in. But she still likes it. So I'm gonna change it out in a couple days probably. And mine's smaller, hers is bigger, so I like the smaller one better. But yeah. I have a bigger nose than her.
Yeah, yeah, since your nose is a little bit bigger than the jewelry size, doesn't look quite as big on your nose as it does on her nose. I don't know how long
She waited 13 days.
No, well,
12
when she
days.
switched it, you switched yours in 12 days?
Yeah.
Okay. So she waited 12 days and switched it, and how easy
But it
was
was-
it to
Yeah.
switch?
It was a little bit hard to get it through the inside, but it didn't really hurt.
Okay. You just gotta be careful. Don't switch it too soon.
I'm afraid about when I sleep.
Just sleep on the right side.
To pull it out, I mean, if you really wanted to, you could put like a band-aid over it if you're afraid.
But then if I got the band-aid off, it would like come with it.
Well,
No, just the part that's not sticky. So just to cover it so you can't pull it.
maybe.
Oh. Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
slept on the left side and it was fine.
Yeah, you could do that too. Just sleep on the other side.
Then a couple days later, the blanket yanked it out.
Oh.
And don't flare your
But
nostrils.
it's a habit.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, she was doing that too at first. She kept flaring her nostrils, and I said, "Stop flaring your nostrils." So
Now I can't even feel it when I do it.
she doesn't even know it's there anymore. So okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.
And turn on your bell notifications.
And comment.
And share.
Only positive comments.
Thanks for watching. Bye.